There are few things more special in this world than connecting with great company, especially after a long journey. 24 hours ago, 13 chefs from 4 different continents and our very own cellar master Eric Lebel flew across the globe in an effort to celebrate the birthplace of the pepper. Each of these chefs will create a unique dish using one or a variety of peppers to ultimately pair with a glass of Krug. Meet Chef Kazutoshi Narita from Japan, who sketches each creation with a pen before even sharpening his knife. Behold, the mecca of the world's pepper market.
Bienvenido al mercado.
There are over 50,000 varieties of fresh and dried peppers, including some of the spiciest.
Mucho picante. Demasiado picante.
For Guillaume, this is his chance to carefully select which variety of pepper he'll use for his final dish. Which brings us to Abigail. Abigail can unlock almost any door within the city. Well, at least the ones worth opening. Here, the chefs are invited to see and taste how their hosts honor the pepper every day, which will in turn inspire their own creations. Sorry, Danielle, the party's over. It's time to go to work. Precision, patience, craftsmanship. This is where it all comes together. Each plate is a curated reflection of its creator. What started as a tribute to a single ingredient blossomed into something much deeper. An opportunity to forge new friendships and explore the unspoken connection among like-minded craftsmen.